I also have a proclamation for the Sound of Sun Prairie. I think there's a few folks that came as well for that proclamation this evening. Okay, whereas the Sound of Sun Prairie has established a history of great accomplishments and endeavors since 1972 when they were formed, and whereas the Sound of Sun Prairie obtained the 2014 Mid-American Competing Band Directors Association Grand Champions, and they also won other first and second place prizes in the competition during the season. The Sound also obtained the Caption Awards during the season for Best Music Performance, Best Music General Effect, Best Color Guard, Best Percussion, and Best Front Line, whereas the members of the directing staff, the countless parents and volunteers working with the students of the Sound of Sun Prairie have unselfishly given their time and themselves for the purpose of supporting this quest for this group of high school students, providing them a positive adventure and learning experience. Whereas the Sound of Sun Prairie is further recognized for their efforts to benefit Sunshine Place by raising over $2,000 in their Gives Back car wash, which was conducted in 4 locations on a cold and stormy day. And whereas the students have proven their everlasting dedication to their fellow band members, their school, their community, and their love of music, and have demonstrated their abilities to work together and succeed. Furthermore, the students have represented the Sun Prairie community in the most exemplary manner and have proven to be a positive ambassador for the city of Sun Prairie across the Midwest and Canada. Now, I therefore, Jonathan Freund, by virtue of the authority vested in me as mayor, do hereby officially congratulate the Sound of Sun Prairie for another successful season and thank the members for representing the city in such a positive manner. I call upon all the citizens of our Sun Prairie to join in saluting and congratulating the members and staff of the Sun Prairie High School Sound of Sun Prairie. In testimony whereof I have hereunto set my hand and I cause the seal of the city of Sun Prairie to be affixed on this the 5th day of August 2014. Mayor Jonathan Freund. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm Ann Sederquist. I'm the business manager for Sound, and I also teach at Prairie View Middle School. For those of you that are not familiar with the group, we work very hard to have students understand passion, compassion, the fact that they're part of something bigger than themselves, and we truly work to make it a family activity. We try to incorporate as many parents as we can in the organization, siblings, you know, we get everybody involved, and the community of Sun Prairie has been extremely supportive since 1972. That's a long haul, but we really appreciate the support that we get from our school district and from the community as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.